Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. This is Majib Khazi and you're watching my YouTube channel. Ironically, if you notice, for the last 1 week, there have been some disturbing development, and it has been very consistent for the last 3 or 4 months. Ever since China intruded into Ladakh region that was controlled by India. Now, for a time being, the ice was melted for a few months, but all of a sudden that border area has become very hot again. China now has started to claim entire state that borders with Tibet. It's called Arunachal Pradesh. Another state that also borders within China is Sikkim state, and both of them have a border with Nepal as well. But I would just want to go back and give you a brief history of India has had this border dispute with all of its neighboring countries. Has a problem with China, Pakistan, Nepal, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka. That, for the last few decades we have noticed that repaired their relationship with Bangladesh and Sri Lanka. But the borders on the Nepal side and Pakistan side and now the China side has become very hot, and now it has caused almost a war between the two countries. I'm only going to focus on the state that is Arunachal Pradesh and the Sikkim. Those are the two states that the Arunachal state sits at the 4,900 feet from the sea level, has a population of over 1.4 million people, about 25 districts. Initially, China had a claim that they only, if you remember the CO-India conflict of 1962, where China was claiming that the district Tawang belongs to them, and they claimed on that. And then this contract or agreement, or call it a pact, that was signed between India and China, that was the pact that was respected up until last week. For the last 47 years, no bullet was fired. Both countries were respecting each other's borders. But this time we noticed that the border dispute got disturbed. So now that pact has broken, basically. So now, rather than claiming that one district of Tawang, China has declared that the entire state of Arunachal Pradesh belongs to China, and the Sikkim as well. Population at almost 1.4 million people living in there. Now that's a very disturbing news for the region, because if the China comes in, India would have to retaliate and the war would break out. And just to give you the border dispute with the neighboring countries that India has, that is with obviously China, and the borders that is in dispute is Ladakh, Arunachal Pradesh, and obviously Tawang. And on Nepal side, there is a border dispute between India, that is Kalapani territory and Susta territory. And on Pakistan, obviously Kashmir, which is the biggest conflict, and the Sar Creek region, that is also another region that is a point of conflict between India and Pakistan. And like I mentioned earlier, Sri Lanka and Bangladesh have been settled, but recently the reports are coming from Indian side that China has intruded into the Bang district of Arunachal, and China claimed that both states on the Ladakh side and Sikkim side, China is going to reclaim. Now this has become a very high point for the tension between India and China. And remember, as I always say, the root cause of both countries to fight is Kashmir. Because when they signed the pact of SIO India, CO India pact, with that they were supposed to have respected each other's borders, even the buffer zone between the two countries. But now the recent tension because of India, and I would 100% make India responsible. Kashmir as a territory, even though it has an autonomous status, it was still somewhat, it was a peace, because it has not opened up the conflicts around the borders. By India revoking the Article 370 and 35A, claiming the entire region of Kashmir into their own union territory, has opened up this Pandora box. Now China is coming out claiming their portion. Obviously Pakistan has its own claim. Kashmiris are the one who are the rightful owners of the state, are not being given the due right, and now the tension has become India, China, and Pakistan. All, with exception of China, both countries are facing the worst of the poverty situation, the economical downfall, the COVID-19, and now all of a sudden this border tensions. All this money, all these resources that are being wasted at the border, fighting for each other, and they're fighting over something that doesn't even belong to them. The difference, उर्दू में बोलते हैं ना, जिस तरह आप किसी ने चोरी की और किसी ने डाका डाला. डाका क्या होता है कि if somebody who has a power और वो अपनी गन पॉइंट पे आके आपसे कोई चीज छीन लेता है. इंडिया ने ऐसा ही किया. Came in with 1 million boots, विद द पावर, और उन्होंने कश्मीर से चोरी कर ली, कश्मीर वालों की ज़मीन से छीन ली। तो चाइना ने कहा कि भाई मैं भी तो, मुझसे बड़ा गुंडा कौन हो सकता है, मैं भी तो लूँगा अपनी। तो क्या हुआ? सो नाउ द बोथ countries are at war, and Pakistan will also be dragged in, because there is no way the Kashmir will be left out without having to fight between all three countries, and then wait for the worst of the worst, which could be, hopefully not, but it could be a nuclear flashpoint that will have the war to break out, और फिर सारे region के लिए problem होगी। So that's why I keep encouraging you all. This is election season in USA. We need to get out, get our representative, get involved, and make them have a clear policies. Are they going to be on the side of war or peace? Whatever their stance are, and based on that, make your judgment and then vote. Until next time, thank you very much. Keep watching, and if you like the message, share with others. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.